To make someone obsess over you, you need to create a psychological need for your presence and affection. This means making them emotionally dependent and triggering a deep craving for your attention. Here's how to make someone obsess over you. Step 1. Create an emotional roller coaster. Humans are drawn to experiences that are intense and emotionally charged. If you can create an emotional roller coaster in your interactions, alternating between moments of deep emotional connection and brief periods of emotional withdrawal, you will keep them hooked. The uncertainty of not knowing when they will get your attention or affection makes them crave it more, building emotional attachment over time. Step 2. Be highly engaging and attractive. To make someone obsess over you, you need to captivate their attention with your energy, charisma, and physical presence. Be the person who can light up a room and make them feel like they are the center of your world. Use your charm, humor, and confidence to draw them in, making them feel important and special in your presence. The more engaging and captivating you are, the more likely they will become obsessed with seeking more of your time and attention. Step 3. Be unpredictable and elusive. When someone feels like they can always have access to you, they become less interested over time. But when you make yourself unpredictable and sometimes elusive, they will begin to obsess over the times when they do get your attention. A few days of emotional distance, followed by moments of warmth and affection, will keep them invested in maintaining that dynamic. By creating an emotional roller coaster, being highly engaging, and being unpredictable, you can make someone obsess over you, always craving your attention and presence. Stay happy until we meet again. Subscribe for more helpful tips.